How's it going, guys? This is Sean Barnett here, bringing you guys another video. And I am here with Grandma. Grandma right there. See, Grandma? Grandma? Shut up, Grandma. Okay, we will be teaching you how to do a backflip. I mean a front flip. And then we'll do a backflip. Okay, so, the reason I can't do it so perfectly is just that I was doing parkour. And then I did a front flip and landed on my one foot, and I tripped. So we'll have someone doing the tricks today. The first two front flips we're going to teach you is the curl front flip and just a regular front flip. Okay? Okay. First, you start with a front flip. Yeah. You want to start something like the somersault. And when you get used to it, you can start jumping like that. Yeah, like that. But try not using your hands. Okay? And you just start. The second step is to get really high and get some. And you can do a front flip. We're going to teach you the curl one first. Okay. And then when you get like the little flip down, or try like here, you can see. So if you can't get it, you want to hold your knees together. Now, how holding your knees helps is when you're up in the air and you don't hold your knees, you're kind of going slower in the air. And when you do it, you're putting more weight, so you can spin faster and land it. And that's why some people just curl their knees. Okay? Now, we're doing a normal front flip, which again, well, now it's the same thing. So this time if you want to do a normal one, you're going to get higher air. So you're going to go really high and go up. Well, I should just let me do it since I'm doing it. Right there. We're so normal. Woo! And how to stop yourself, guys, is you want to put, spread out your leg with this. Okay, and then sometimes you feel like you're not going to land it. How you do it is, okay, you're going to come up, and when you're jumping, no matter how you are, when you do it, cover up your face. So like that, because sometimes your knees will come to your face, and it will hit your face, and it will give you some type of bloody nose. I got experience with that. Okay? So Sean, please demonstrate that. Oh, please demonstrate. Okay. No, okay, so first get jumping. And try and do a front flip, but kind of messed up. And put your hands over your face quickly. Because, you can hurt yourself from doing that. And if, you go like that, or rip my pants. You ripped his pants! Show the camera, okay? No, this is my underwear. It's my second wear. He ripped his pants! Oh my god, he ripped his pants! Now if you go like this, you're gonna fall down. Once you fall down, try to go like this. Like that. When you fall, okay. Okay. Now we're gonna teach you how to do a backflip. Okay, now we're gonna try to do a backflip. Backflips are really hard to do. There's 5 simple steps that you need to follow to be able to do a backflip. Woo! I'm fine. Okay. So step 1 is when you first try to land on your back like that. Yeah, you want to start off with the normal back thing. And then one stroke up. Okay? And next, all that. It's a safety precaution that you need to know. Okay, and then after you do that, you want to do this other move. I can't do it now. You curl up your knees and go, yeah, I know. But another way, instead of curling up your knees or something like that, you want to, okay, you land on your back like this. And then you, like, when you land on your back, you fly back and on your feet. And then when you get back down, you should try and do a simple back flip. Make sure you don't automatically try to land on your feet. Try and land on your knees, your belly, or your belly. Try your belly. So, sometimes you can land like this. And that's fine, because once you develop that pattern, you will be able to get higher up in the air and be able to get up. So, please finish that. There you go. Control boxer. No. Okay, as you saw, Trump started jumping up forward. That's because if you try and go like, say, one way, you're not going to get that much speed. We'll get some speed, so you won't get that much speed. And sometimes if you like jump forward and then launch like this, what do you do? And how I help you is because, wait, do it one more time. Oh, thanks. Okay. So, do a back flip. Normal one? Yeah. You're when you go forward, you're gonna go like this, and then you can launch backwards, and it helps you go faster speed up. Remember, sometimes don't put your nuts first. I don't think I do. Yeah. And that's how I do a soft flip and a back.